Hello everyone. My name is Rugvesh Suryavanshi, and in this video, I will be walking you through my digital portfolio. This portfolio serves as a structured representation of my skills, achievements, and interests, helping me showcase my work in professional manner. Let's get started. This is the home page that I have created and which will act as a landing page, connecting all sections of my portfolio. It features a simple and clean layout with with my image and an easy to navigate menu to access different sections. So this is the about page, which includes the brief introduction, my education and skills page. So here I have provided a brief introduction about myself, my educational background, and skills that I have acquired. So my skills include uh, Python programming, data visualization using Tableau, and web development. So this is the achievement page. This page highlights my academic and professional accomplishments. It includes certifications such as NASCOM, Digital 101, Cisco's Essentials Python. The certificates will be visible once you click on the button given there. So here's the interest page, wherein the interest in history, psychology, politics, geopolitics, and spirituality are being given down. Here there are cards given which will flip when you click the cursor on it. Finally, it's the contacts page wherein you could contact me if you like my work or something to comment about it. The email IDs, the LinkedIn profile, and GitHub profile are being shared here in the form of a button, wherein if you click on it, you could be directed uh, to the respective link. Send me message box is given down, wherein you could directly contact me without getting into the email itself. Here's the link of the GitHub repository that I have used while creating the website. Now we will move to the actual working of the website and animations that I have used for better understanding and better scenic views. So this is the home page that I was talking about. So it includes the animation of particle uh, where it looks quite good. Here's a brief introduction about myself and a navigation bar which will be used to navigate to different sections. So let's move to about section. In the About section, the first one is introduction, a brief introduction of myself. Then we will have the education. So my current education and my interest in future education. Next, we will move to skills, wherein it includes programming languages and the frameworks that I'm working with. Also, the tools that I've been using since I have come to the professional educational fields. Now we will move to my interest page. So my interest includes history, psychology, politics, geopolitics, and spirituality. So if we click on a card, it will flip and give further more information that I'm trying to explain to my viewers. So now we will redirect to home, and then we finally have the contacts page. So here in the contacts page, you will redirect to my contacts if we click on any of the button. So for example, let's click on the GitHub link. So here's my home page of GitHub, and which will be redirected to if you click on the button. So here's the working of my website. Now we will move to the GitHub repository that I used to create this website and the files that I have been attached to it. So here are the files that I have been attached to the website. So you can see screenshots and certificates that I have attached to my file. So for example, let's view the index.html, which is my home page. So herein you could view the code, which includes CSS attachments, the contents in it, the navigation bar, the particle.js that I have been used for animation. Then you have the CSS for better visualization and the end of the web page. So you could view any of the page. So that brings us to the end of this portfolio walkthrough. This platform helps me present my abilities in an organized manner and reflects my journey as an aspiring engineer. So thank you for watching.